Yeah, hi friends, I'm Jitendra. So today we will going to see how to develop a API using RAML part 3. In this demo, we will going to see how to expose or publish your API to the portal, to the exchange. Then we will going to see how to consume your API which we have developed using Anypoint Studio. How can you do the changes in the RAML using Anypoint Studio, and how can you sync with cloud platform? We are going to see that also. So we are going to see various things in this demo. So in last demo, I have shown you like what we have developed one book service API. In last demo, we have seen like basic and some advanced stuff related to RAML, like how we can make reuse of the RAML and all those things. So in this demo, like I have already published my my RAML or API to the portal. So you have to create a new portal. It will publish the API. Okay. In my first video, I explained like how can you publish your API to the portal. You just simply click on create new portal. It will publish your RAML or your API to the portal. Fine. So I can see it here, book service API current. So and go to view live portal. Right. This is my live portal where I can see my API references. Fine. These are all API references. Let me check. Okay. This is response, whatever. Fine. Let me go back. If you want to do any changes in your portal, so you can edit it. So I'm going to show you. So you can do edit portal. Once you have done edit, suppose I will say here I will add some text. This is okay. I will say this is API related to books and authors. I say enter. I put this and I get space. Add, modify, and read books. I will say add, modify, and read authors. I will say save. Okay, so you can see. So instead of this home, I can double click here and I can say overview. This is how can you can make change in your API. Even there is a themes also. So like you want your background color to be. Let me check. I will say okay. See it will. I will say something like that. I will say update or button text color. If you instead of white you want different badge color. So if you want some different, so I will say something like that. Okay, say update. Now you can see the live portal from here itself. Okay, you can see the changes. I have select some wrong bad colors. Fine. So let me put some better color. Instead of that, I will go to theme. I'll select some wrong color. Okay, this looks good. I will update it. I'll go to live portal. So you can customize your portal according. You can put the image, your company logo, whatever. You can do that. See. Okay. Now this is not important. So let me go back to Exchange. Now we will publish our API to Exchange. So go to Exchange. Okay. Under Exchange, say add new item. Say REST API. You can give the name. I will say book service API. Fine. So okay, you have to provide this much information. I will say add version. You will require this API portal URL and REST API URL. Fine. So how can you get it? Let me go back. I want those information. I will go to API manager. I will go here. I will go to view, not live portal. I will say edit. Either you can go to live portal directly. So this is my portal URL. You have to copy it on some notepad. I will say Control V, and you want API URL also, so you can get it from here. This is your RAML URL. You can copy it and let me maximize. I will press enter. Now again I will go to Exchange. I will close this. I will go to Exchange. Fine. I will say add new item. REST API. I will give book service API. Fine. And if you have description, any YouTube video which is explaining your API, you can give it here. And I will say add version. What is REST API spec? So I am using 0.8, so I will give 0.8. What is the API version? 1.0, which you have given at initial stage. Now API portal URL. So you have to provide your portal URL. So I will provide my portal URL, and you have to provide the RAML URL. So this is my RAML URL. You can provide. Okay, I have done some mistake. You have to provide the RAML URL here and API portal at the top. Again, let me copy. Provide at top. I will say done. Okay, it has added. So once it has added the API for you, so then you click on save new item. Okay, so once you click on save, you can see various things, delete, publish. So I will publish it. Okay, so you can publish it. I will say fine. So you can see your book service API is here. And click on here, so you'll see all the details about your API. This is how you can publish your API to the exchange. Okay, now how can you consume? So I will say file. I am trying to consume it using Anypoint Studio. This is a file new Mule project. Let's wait. It's creating a new project for us. It will open the dialog. It's taking some time because of some bandwidth issue. Okay, it opened the dialog for us. You can give a name. I will say book service API. Now we are trying to consume our API. Okay, you can keep runtime 3.8. Now one important thing. Click on this add API kit component. Now click on this ellipsis, Anypoint platform. Okay. Now it will ask you for the username and password. You have to provide your Anypoint platform username and a password. It may ask, it may not ask. If you have configured previously, it may not ask. So I will say sign in. Let's wait. Get signed in. Now it will open the dialog for us, and it will list all the API which is available with your Anypoint platform account. So let's wait. It's fetching the API. This is only one. Okay, let me select this. I will say okay. Let's wait. It was fetching the information from the cloud. Okay, API has been fetched, and simply say finish. Once you say finish, it will create many flow. It will create flow for each and every method. So let me show you. So let me go back to my API manager. Let's wait. It was creating the project for you. Let me go to book service. And edit API, edit in API designer. If you see, we have five methods: one, two for books, two for book slash book title, one for book slash, and two for book slash author. Five methods. It will create five flow for this all the methods, and there is a one backend flow. There will be one more main flow. So let's wait. It's fetching the data. It's taking some time. Let's wait. Today it's taking some time. Let me change the connection. Generally, it doesn't take this much of time. It happens in seconds. Okay, it has fetched the data because there was some connection issue. It has fetched the data for us. You can see it create a main flow, it create the API console, and as I mentioned, it will create the 5 flow for each and every method, and the exception handling flow. Okay, so okay, now we know like how you can consume the API. Okay, this API main will route to the proper, the request come to this and it will route to the proper proper flow. You can change this flow. So they see the first flow is for slash book author book. This is for book. This is book slash book title. I will map it book slash book title, the get method. So book slash author. So we have a book slash author. Okay. This is now I will going to show you your RAML file. So you go to API sync. Yeah, this is your RAML file. Okay. So you can see your book service RAML file. Okay, this is your API.raml. I will do one change, small change, and I will try to sync with your API. This one, okay, this API manager. So instead of like data inserted, and I will say and I will say space and edit. So once you will do is save it. So you have to click on upload this. Okay, why this is okay? You have to select this and say upload changes. Yeah, by uploading, it will override remote change. Yeah, yes. Let's wait. It uploading the changes for us. So actually here it is data insert successfully. Let me go to the API manager again. Let me refresh it. Okay, the changes has been uploaded. You can see ticks. Fine. Now I will go back. I will go to edit in API designer. So you will see the change. See, data inserted and added successfully. This is how you can do the changes in your Anypoint platform and upload back to the cloud API manager. Okay. So in this video, we have learned a lot of things like how to create the portal, how to change the theme of the portal, then after that, how to publish your API to the exchange, then how to consume using the API kit in the Anypoint Studio, then how to make the changes in the API.raml and sync with the and upload the changes to the API manager using Anypoint Studio. Thanks for watching video. If you like my video, just subscribe to it.